Hello, we are now going to present a short slideshow on the topic GPS, that is Global Positioning System. It is presented by Yash Kothawale and Deep Mehta, students of BEEXTC2 under the guidance of Dr. Saurabh Mehta. What is GPS? GPS is basically a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time information anywhere on or near the Earth where there is an unobstructed LOS, that is line of sight, to 4 or more GPS satellites. It is maintained by US government and was created by the US Department of Defense, that is DoD. It is freely accessible to anyone with a GPS receiver. It was originally run with 24 satellites. Characteristics of GPS. The characteristics of GPS are as follows. 1. It is free. 2. It is precise. 3. It is reliable. 4. It can be used in almost all weather conditions. 5. It can be used anytime and anywhere using a device which supports GPS. 6. It has unlimited user capacity. Segments of GPS. The GPS has 3 segments. The first segment is called as the space segment, which is a constellation of 24 satellites. The second segment is the monitor station, which is composed of master control station MCS and an alternate master control station, along with 4 dedicated ground antennas and 6 dedicated monitor stations. The third segment consists of the users and the various equipments like GPS receivers and GPS supporting devices like our mobile phones. How GPS works. Let us now see how GPS works. It basically uses measurements from 4 or more satellites. It uses the formula distance is equal to travel time into speed of light. Determining GPS position. GPS uses 27 satellites, out of which 24 are currently working and 3 are kept as backup in case of any failures, to pinpoint the current location. The calculation is based on a simple arithmetic theory known as trilateration. Since Earth is a sphere, each satellite generates a specific part of the sphere it hovers and revolves with. An intersection of 3 such spheres, which are the closest to the GPS device, is done to identify its location. You can see from the figures how the 3 satellites give the exact location. The first 2 satellites bring the location to up to 2 points. Now, by using the third satellite, the precise location is calculated. The GPS receivers require 2 vital details to provide accurate response. They are 1. Location of at least 3 satellites. 2. The distances between the device and each of the 3 satellites. How accurate is GPS? The accuracy of GPS depends on some factors. They are 1. Time spent on measurement. 2. Design of receiver. 3. Post-processing. In general, we can say that most GPS units have an accuracy of about plus minus 10 meters. Methods of data collection. There are 3 methods of data collection. They are 1. autonomous for 10 to 20 meters, 2. differential for 2 to 5 meters, 3. phase differential for few centimeters. Sources of errors. The major sources of errors are 1. multipath, 2. PDOP, that is position dilution of precision, 3. SNR, that is signal to noise ratio. Errors are also caused due to buildings and trees in urban areas which block the signals. Common uses of GPS. The GPS has many applications. It is used in 1. navigation, 2. prevention of car theft, 3. police and private detectives, 4. recreation. It is used by hikers and camping enthusiasts, 5. company vehicle fleet tracking, 6. owners of pets. They can basically put a small receiver on the pets and keep a track of them. These are few out of the many applications of GPS. Advantages of GPS. The GPS has many advantages. They are 1. GPS is extremely useful to navigate as it tells you the direction for each turn you take or you have to take to reach to your required destination. 2. GPS works in all weather, so you need not worry of the climate as in other navigating devices. 3. The GPS costs you very low in comparison to other navigation systems. 4. The most attractive feature of this system is its 100% coverage on the planet. 5. It also helps you to search the nearby restaurant, hotels and gas stations and is very useful for finding new places. 6. Due to its low cost, it is very easy to integrate into other technologies like cell phones. 7. The system is updated regularly by the US government and hence is very advanced. 8. This is the best navigating system in water, as in larger water bodies we are often misled due to lack of proper directions. Disadvantages of GPS. Though GPS has many advantages, it does have a few drawbacks. They are: sometimes the GPS may fail due to certain reasons, and in that case you need to carry a backup map and directions. 2. If you are using GPS on a battery operated device, there may be a battery failure and you may need a external power supply, which is not always possible and available. 3.